Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Joyce Park and I'm a board-certified dermatologist. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the bareMinerals Skin Longevity Long Life Herb Serum. This is a cruelty-free and vegan product. This is powered by the Long Life herb, which is actually a plant sourced from Okinawa, Japan. And it is power-packed with different minerals as well as antioxidants to help strengthen your skin. It also has super ingredient niacinamide, which can help improve your overall skin radiance. So what you do, it's really simple. You put 2 pumps into the palm of your hand, and you kind of rub it together, and then you just kind of pat it on, get it all in there. Make sure to get your nose all over, and your forehead as well. I think the really cool thing about it is that it's suitable for every age and also every skin type. It's clinically shown to strengthen skin's barrier by 45%, and it actually can help improve your skin texture as well as radiance. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.